Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to create custom landing page template in WordPress. So this is going to be completely free and you can do whatever you want, like you can capture emails, you can promote anything that you want for your business, or if you just want to promote somebody else's product as an affiliate, you can do that in WordPress following this video instruction. Alright, so let's get started. So before I get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if it's helpful. If you don't find it helpful, you can hit the thumbs down button as well. Also, before we get started, please make sure you already have created a child theme of your WordPress theme, otherwise it's not going to be very helpful. So let's say you're creating the parent theme and there is an update for your parent theme. Anything that you have done, like anything that you have done in your parent theme, once there is an update, it will be just waste, it will be wiped off. So you definitely want to create a child theme, and all the customization that you want to do, place that in the child theme. So let's get started. I already have created a child theme and I've named it my child theme, and this is based on 2020 theme, which you can see here. So 2020 theme, and I also created this landing page if you want to have a look at. So this is how I've created it. This landing page is not including the header, is not including the footer, because I want the focus of the visitor, the viewer, to be on that particular product, okay, not on the header, menu or footer links, nothing else, just on this product. So to create it, we definitely need to have access to this child theme that we have on our WordPress installation, and then look for a templates folder. Almost every themes have this templates folder. If you do not have, perfectly fine, you can follow this instruction and create the files in here in the root directory, and that will perfectly work. So if you found this templates folder, to create the custom template in WordPress for whatever reason, you go ahead and create a new file and give it a name. So I'm going to say capture page.php. Here we go. So this is completely blank page. Now what we need to do, we can go ahead and take this cover template cover, or whatever other template that you already have in here, and just copy everything from this. Select everything from this template cover, copy it, just copy it and paste over here. Now we need to make some customization. I'm just going to save it. So PHP is not right. Okay, so I'll rename it. I'm really sorry guys. PHP. Okay, here we go. Now it looks perfectly fine. So now we need to rename it. So I'm going to say email capture. Okay, and this is going to be available for both post type and page type. So the name is going to be email capture template. I do not want to get this header. Instead, I want to take few parts from header, not everything, just the HTML, the head section, so that I can leverage the the SEO benefit of WordPress. Alright, so here we go, so that we can get everything I forgot one thing. So go to here, we also need this one. So this will be after this PHP thing. It's not going to be in the PHP, it's going to be here after. Now it's perfectly fine. So we are going to take everything that WordPress has to offer, like the SEO benefit of the WordPress. Now I also want to give this main section a class. So class is going to be, I can say, email capture. Perfectly fine. Save it. And I need to delete this one. I do not need the widget. Now I can go ahead and save it. Alright, so this is going to be available now, and we will be able to create this wonderful, beautiful capture page in WordPress. So let's get started. Now I can go ahead and create a page or post. This template, custom template, is going to be available for both content types. So let's go ahead and create a post, and here you can name whatever. Here see on the right you have page attributes. Go ahead and click on it if this doesn't appear, and select your template name. So it's an email capture template. Now I can go ahead and take anything, like I can write anything. Get your free design template for today, like that, something like that. And here I want to have an image, or you can have a video, totally up to you. I'm just going to take an image like this one. This seems to be big, 8 by 8, 800 by 8, same thing. Alright, not a problem. Okay, now what else we need to have this email opt-in thing. So if you're using MailChimp or any other service provider, you can go ahead and get the code from them and paste in HTML. So go ahead and say HTML and paste the code from service provider. I'm going to take this dummy form HTML code here and paste in here in raw HTML. Alright, and we also want to give something like this, and go ahead and preview it. You can see it's looking like the same. Okay, there are a few things that I would like to make sure, like so first we need to save it so that it can create the permalink, and I can simply customize it, free design template, and then publish it. Also, if you have created this using the post data type, we also need to select the category. I don't think it's not available, looks like, for oh, it's page, it's not post. You can see it says page attribute. Alright, so I'm going to publish it, and here we have. I do not need this anymore. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create custom templates in WordPress and save a lot of money. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with someone who may need this. Alright, thanks again and have a good day. Bye for now.